We now got to transfer all of this stuff which is connected to this subframe onto our brand new second-hand subframe. And then we can try and line it up to the car and see if it all's straight. I'm excited. Now it's a long, tedious job of disconnecting everything off this old subframe and moving it onto the new one. That's both sides suspension, the steering rack, the under tray, and the huge anti-roll bar. We've all got to get off this old subframe and leave it bare. And there's also damage to the steering rack, you can see here. Right, whilst we're here, we might as well replace this bent trap rod end and inner tie rod. Left. Oh, did that go? Yeah, boy! Look at that, wibbly wobbly. It's out. This is what we've got. A new one from Volkswagen. Luckily, we think it's only damaged the inner tie rod and the trap rod end. So they're the two parts that we're replacing. Edge of the thread.